because if we don't video how much actual
work is
behind everything, people have no fucking clue. And especially the summer, as you can see, is shitty with this. But the interesting, what we just discussed, is actually interesting also for on the video. You see that here the temperature sensor. The temperature sensor has a coating over it.
Yeah.
With all the previous, so this is an S19k Pro.
Okay.
Has a coating.
Yeah.
But all the others, the S19J Pros, so if you talk about the 104 terahash, the 96ers, they never have a coating over the temperature sensor. So when you put it in the bad environment, like where we are here in the greenhouse, this one will for sure last. But,
longer,
But the other ones, they have already broken down. After, let's say, 1 or 2 years, they have problems because the corrosion on the pins starts to occur, and then the temperature sensor breaks, and then the hashboard stops running. So this is one of the main issues that we see here in the greenhouse.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and then we use a stupid toothbrush, and we just brush
them off.
Yeah, we brushed everything out, which is interesting also because it's a very simple tip from our famous Econo alchemist, the toothbrush, once in history. No, and you have to do this work basically every month. But in winter, of course, this is significantly less cumbersome than what it is now.
Yeah, that's the thinking about it. It might sound weird because in the summer one person would think, yeah, but the miner is maybe running less, so because of it's already warm. But in the end, it's the opposite. In the summertime, you have the worst.
It's the worst condition because of the insects. If you don't have filters. Like if you have a container of miners, of course you have a filter window, let's say, in front of it, which filters this out, so you don't have this maintenance.
Correct.
But we intentionally put it in adverse environment so we can test everything to its max and see what actually happens with the specific miners. And because of this testing, we know exactly what works and what doesn't work.
Yeah.
And on the other locations, we have filter windows in front of the miners, and they have been running for 3-4 years. So that works out. But you need to know for sure what the differences are between miners in which conditions.
No, because you never know if a customer might say like, no, I don't have, for instance, the money or the space to put them in the box.
Yeah.
And we have to leave them like that.
Exactly.
So that then you already know how long they will survive.
Yeah, and in our opinion, so I think also if you look at, for instance, the miners of 21 Energy, the guys in Austria that have produced really nice home mining devices also.
Okay.
They use this board, the K Pro board, because it's simply quality of the board is better.
Okay.
And it's mass produced, so it's cheaper, and that makes that these devices are in general better than the others.
Okay.
Grab the next one, and we'll show again. Like you see how clogged up it is.
Yeah. That's terrible.
And this is really bad for the miner actually. So you really need to do this often if you put it in an adverse environment. I think we can conclude the video with that. Yeah.